unfortunately my phone died, so the unboxing of this second box is completely gone. What I showed was this 30 ounce tumbler that came free with the order. And I'm so excited about that. And then this was the only other item in this box, which was my adhesive vinyl. But look how beautiful they are. And I haven't even taken it out of the pack, but you could just see the variation of colors that are just so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out. I know it's gonna go crazy once I open it, but just want you guys to see these beautiful colors. Beautiful, 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 beautiful colors. Oh my god. Wow. It's like a Christmas miracle. So beautiful. I'm so excited because now I have different options for my adhesive vinyls. Wow, these colors are literally so beautiful. The way it's reflecting in the lights is giving me life. Wow, I love it so much. Wow, different shades of blue. Red, orange. I mean, like, there's so many colors. Okay, this will be an easy way to show them. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this one tonight. The gold. Yeah, totes. Like, totally. And then you have the silver. I think this is 5 yards of this. And probably 5 yards of the white as well, which is always necessary. So that's it for this box. These are the vinyls. I know you guys would probably love to see it. The details of this order is as follows. So I got the 30-ounce tumbler for free with my order. And then I got the Starcraft Hoax Halo. It's 12 by 24 color pack. So I got I guess I got 2 of those. I'm not sure. I'm really tired right now. And then I also got the Deceit glitter purple. Oh, so they just folded everything together. That's what it is. As well as the Starcraft HD permanent adhesive vinyl gloss, 12 by 5 foot, and then the metallic silver, and that's what this is. So that's the metallic silver right there. And then this is just a halo pack. So that sounds like there's tons of different colors in there. So yeah, this is it. Obviously, I'm going to make tons of videos, so you guys will get to see that as well. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys, just to show you all these beautiful colors that I now have, and that I'm just so excited to use. Like, oh, next week, I'm going to have so much free time in my schedule, and I'm just going to, like, completely indulge in just creating things. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, if you have any concerns, leave it in the comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Bye.